synthetic hair, you guys, so keep that in mind. Hi guys, and welcome back to Deja'Sworld. So today I have products from Wigdealer. Seen them on Instagram. I just really wanted to see what they could, like, what they do, I guess. I seen Jada using this.
The Meltdown. Oh my gosh, so cool. Using Wigdealer's Ultra Hold Spray. It doesn't turn white and it dry real fast.
I seen Aaron, or whatever his name is, the gay guy who does hair. I've seen him using this product. So like, my wigs should come out what lays, you know what I mean? So hopefully that's how it goes. But yeah, overall the shipping was okay, but I think one of the products or one of the sprays or something spilled in there, so it's like super oily, super super oily. So the packaging wasn't the greatest, so I'll give that, the packaging probably like a 2. For somebody doing big, like doing big famous people's hair, you should have really good packaging, but you know, hey. Anyways, so face glue. It's supposed to be waterproof. It's supposed to be extra hold. Very excited to use this because we don't have stuff like this out here in Grand Forks. Actually, we don't have any of this stuff out here in Grand Forks, so I'm excited to use all of this. Then we got the melting spray. This is what I keep seeing. This is what really got my attention to buy from this brand, really, to be honest. The can is a little smaller than I thought, but it's okay, you know, it's okay. We got the sleek foaming styling foam. No flakes, no alcohol, medium hold for soft curls. I don't know, I guess you use it for curls maybe, I don't know what this does. It's that. I got the lace blend in a honey. I ended up purchasing 2 of them, which I'm kind of upset about, because if I was gonna purchase 2, I might as well just done a honey and a tan, you know, like a lighter spray. But I'm very, very excited to use this. Also got the sleek finishing wax stick. Looks like that. It's a good amount, really good. Sure. I got the headband, Wigdealer, the comb, Detangling comb. So we're not working with expensive hair, okay? Forgot to mention that they sent me this new growth butter. I won't be using it, but thank you. Don't mind this. I feel like I should start all over, but I don't want to. I really don't want to. Here it is. Spray it on something to see how this looks. Look. Anyways, so that's what we're gonna get out of, basically. Body dries fast. It seems a little liquidy because I'm getting it in my nails. I don't want it on my shirt. If this don't work out, I should be able to do. Ow. I swear, no lace. What lace? That's all or else we'll be so disappointed. But it's okay. We gotta learn. We are gonna learn. But here she is. Just got something in my eye. All right, so Oh my god. This is the normal lace. This is how it looks. Normal lace. This is with the spray. So I really hope y'all can see the difference. Alright, so I'm gonna try spraying it onto my head as well, because by the way, if you guys have a blow dryer on this part, I don't have one, so if you do, you can use a blow dryer. I just don't. So let's do, okay. All right, so I don't know why it's just white, but I really hope it turns clear. But this looks really natural. Like, what lace? This is what we're going for. Ah, we're doing a good job so far. Yeah, this is how I'm doing things. When I say tough, it's tough. But I just really want the white to disappear. You guys. That I love. This is probably the best thing I've seen. We're just gonna.
Few moments later.
Okay, the brush. Not mad at it. I like the way I can grip it. Like, I might just be using this. Okay, so okay, so got my band on. Now I'm just gonna go in with her sleek finishing wax stick. There we go. Like slick, it feels good. I don't know. Is it drunk again? I'll be back. Let me get my parties and then I'll be back because I don't have storage. The melting spray. just excited. But this is all I can do for right now for baby hairs. So, oh well. And like Jada said, all you gotta do is just spray it on here, right? Okay, it's very strong, so you guys like have to hurry. I didn't think like it comes off as, you know, almost one of those sprays that you have to like let it sit for a little bit and then you can style your hair. But it's, hold on, it's giving me lots of mixed emotions. I don't know. Okay. Oh. What? It's not my hair. Y'all saw that scoop. Just one. Oh my god. Oh my god. Well, that's crazy. That is wild. That is wild. That is crazy. And it's not going nowhere. She's not going nowhere. Nowhere. Spray it on. And just give it a few minutes. Ooh. Let me get these parts and then I'll be back. If I wanted to fix it, do I spray this on top or do I do it with water? Let's try this. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm gonna strain it and we should be done. Basically, after 2 hours, 3 hours, I don't really know. My old room. I just wanted to finish up my video. The lighting was great in this room, so I was like, you know what, I might as well, but this is the final look. I did end up plucking it a little bit, if you can tell. I don't know. But yeah, it's been 3 days since I installed it, by the way, and I wanted to give it 3 days because I wanted to see how the melting spray worked and how strong it is. And for all my girls who likes to just spray and go, this is perfect for y'all. But for my girls who likes to like always have a laid, like it's not gonna hold through the night. It's not gonna do none of that. But it's okay. It's okay product. Like they're overhyping it a little bit, but it is pretty fast. Like you don't have to go in with the blow dryer. Like you spray it on and you just literally do your edges. Like it's really fast and easy. I like the lace glue though. The lace glue, even though it turned a little white, but plus the lace tint, put those two together, magic. That I love. The lace, I will still use it. I feel like it's still good. I just still need to just keep playing around with it. But I feel like it's Got to Be is kind of winning right now. Got to Be spray is kind of winning compared to that one. But that's basically it for you guys. If you guys want more hair tutorials, let me know. But I'm probably just gonna post them just to post them because I know other people out there learning just like me, so we can all help each other out. And yeah, but thank you for watching and have a nice day.